Good evening. I'm Phillip and I'm making apparently a new favorite for our family, peanut butter bars. So tonight we have lots of peanut butter, graham cracker crumbs, powdered sugar, and a surprise bowl that's not needed apparently. And we have chocolate that is just warming up. We'll have to turn that down. And melted butter, which is just fine. We're gonna turn that one off right now. And while the chocolate is doing its thing and slowly melting, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add our graham cracker crust, which is just crushed graham crackers, nothing big. Keep that over here. Then we're also gonna add powdered sugar. Lots of it. So that's about 2 cups. And if we've got that, we are going to now gently pour in all of our melted butter here. Just let that settle in. I'll set that aside. Now I'm gonna go over here and put the mixer on slow and then spoon in the peanut butter. Get that, lock, and then we'll just turn it on slow and let it slowly mix. So that'll take just a few minutes. Let's get in there, completely mix up. There we go. So I'm going to turn this off, pick it back up, and then scoop in. It's a little over 1 cup of plain peanut butter. Get that in there. And this will spoon off. There we go. Make sure all the goodies stay in the bowl.
How many calories is that, Phil?
Yeah, you really don't want to know. So we'll put that back in. Lock. And then turn it on slow. And again, just let everything just take about 4 or 5 minutes. Just let it completely mix together. Now while that's doing its thing, I've already got ready a 9x13 pan. So we'll take that cool mix and actually spoon it in here and just flatten it. And then the last ingredient is about 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. This one's crunchy. We'll add that to the chocolate and then mix that around and then turn off the heat.
Is your chocolate ready? No, it's taking its time.
And as soon as it's running a little peanut butter in the chocolate, and just mix that guy around like so. Alright, so that's doing its thing, and while it's mixing, I'm going to get the 4 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. There we go. Make sure and keep all that chocolate. It's the good bits. And then just gently while it's warming, mix all that in. So that'll be the topping of the peanut butter bars. So that'll probably have about 2 more minutes. Just let that sit aside and do its mixing, and we'll go check the peanut butter base. See how it's doing. Now, that's nice and gooey, and it's starting to roll up on the paddle, so that is probably done. Just like that. Loosen our bowl. Come over here to our 9x13 pan. pretty easy. Just didn't really stick to the pan or bowl. And then just dump it into the pan, and we'll worry about flattening that in 1 second.
It shows in the mirror.
Alright. Or just give it a good. Okay. Alright, there we go. We emptied our bowl here. Put that in the sink. Then just take the bowl and take the spoon. Don't worry about spreading it. Just press it in place and let gravity do the work for you. Just turn it around.
So just to summarize, it's 2 cups of
Graham cracker crust. Graham crackers just ground up. 2 cups of powdered sugar, or confectionery sugar, sorry. And 1 cup of butter, melted. And then 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use creamy or crunchy, however you like.
And then how much chocolate?
Now on the chocolate, it should do 1.5 cups, which usually leaves about a quarter of a bag left. And in this case, I just poured the whole bag in to help. And basically, just gonna tap it a few times, let it flatten out. All right, look at that.
Yummy looking.
So we've got everything mixed up in there, and I think, yeah, so we have some peanut butter crunches in there, so I think that is good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over, gently pour it over the top. Let that cool down. There we go. So just pour that over the surface. Excuse me. Put this bowl over here, and let me get one little spatula, and I'll smooth that out. There we go. Facing spatula. And again, I try not to spread, and just pat it. Just let gravity do the work for you. Get that over there. Get to the other side. There we go. I used to have these going to middle school. And we made this for the first time about 2 weeks ago, and they were gone in about a day.
What's next?
All right, family. Freezer, refrigerator.
Freezer.
Freezer. See, I told you 15 minutes and we're ready to go. We'll open up our freezer and at least level. That's the idea. You got that mostly level, and put it in there. About 15 minutes, we'll have peanut butter and chocolate bars.